Jazriel, my handsome groom, my forever partner, and the love of my life. Lo, this was my dream. Wearing a big white gown, walking down the aisle with my mom and dad, standing in front of the love of my life. So thank you for all of this. Thank you for showing kindness and patience dahil alam mo naman ako. For keeping me warm when things get heavy. We've been through a lot. Di na mabilang ilang beses na tayong nag-away at kung ano-anong pinag-awayan natin. But we're still here, together, choosing to love each other, deciding na tayo at tayo pa rin.
Dami nating napagdaanan since 2013 pa. College tayo. Hanggang ngayon. Madami pa nating mapagdadaanan after netong araw na to. Pero hindi ako natatakot sa kakaharapin natin dahil alam ko, ikaw yung kasama ko.
I promise to love you even when we hate each other. We just have to remember na tayo ang magkakampi. I will be here with you until we're old and smelly. This is forever. I love you. Somewhere we belong.
Sabi nila, being a couple is hard in committing and making sacrifices. Pero madali lang naman yun kung tama yung tao na kasama mo. Looking at you, B, and knowing ikaw ang gusto kong makasama habang buhay, that should be the easiest thing in the world. I promise to make you laugh kahit gusto mo maging seryoso. Promise, di na ako gaano mag-hoard ng mga gamit na gusto mong itapon. Promise, mag-explain ako ng short and precise. I promise to love you every single day. Every second of the day. I love you.
So much more to come. There's something I can feel standing here before the daylight. When we know we caught lightning in a bottle, no telling what will follow. With you and me, that's alright. There's something different in the air, no matter where we go from here. Now our time has come. Let's just run. Our time has finally come, so let's just run. Breathe it in, I'll keep it in my chest, where I know I won't forget the beauty that we're holding here and now, taking in the wonder that's all around, ready for a moment to chase it down. We're setting sail, this fairy tale unfolding, here we know it now, our time has finally come. So let's just run. There's so much more to come.
I vow to never stop taking care of you, whatever you need, through thick and thin, and in sickness and in health. I promise to always have your back. Sabi mo nga, andyan ako to help you, and I will always be here. Kakampi mo ako. Kaaway din minsan, pero aawayin ko ang lahat para sa'yo.